Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is me Raja Sai. In this video I am going to show you how you can migrate your website from one hosting to another hosting. Even though through this video you can learn that how you can duplicate a website. Okay, so let's get started. This is my e-commerce website, and this website I'm going to migrate from one hosting to another. I have already installed the WordPress on my another hosting. This one is, and this is the domain. So this whole website I'm going to duplicate on my this new domain. Okay, even though if you want you can just migrate your website from one hosting to another. Okay, so let's get started. This is the targeted website I'm going to duplicate. So first of all we need to go to the dashboard of the WordPress. Here we have to install a plugin. Here we go, click on the add a new plugin, and then the plugin name is all-in-one migration plugin, or we can say all-in migrate. Okay, so this plugin we need to install and click on activate. Okay, so we go to the home and just refresh the website. Okay, here you can see we have successfully uploaded the all-in-one WP migration plugin, and next step we have to click on to export. Okay, and we have to select the export to file. Okay, now it's just going to export all our database, so we can upload that file and we can upload on our another website where we want to duplicate that website. Okay, so it is just preparing some data. So we go to our and we go to this another website, and this website now you can see it is just the blank. Okay, so we go to the dashboard. In this website also we need to install the same plugin. Okay, so let me to delete all these things. Go to the posts. We clean up these things. Click on move to trash, and then if there are some pages we need to delete them as well. Select all, click on to move to trash, and then we go to all the plugin. So we don't need all these plugins which are by default installed, so we're going to delete all them. Let me deactivate them first and go to the inactive plugins, and we select all and going to delete them. Okay, so we go to the dashboard. Okay, let me refresh that all things again. Okay, so we need to install the same plugin in our this website as well. So we're going to click on add a new plugin, and we need to search here all-in-one WP migration plugin, migrate plugin. Okay, so here we go. So the same plugin we need to install on our new website as well. So click on install and click on activate. Okay, plugin is just activated. So we go to the again home, and here we can see this option. Okay, so we have, here we go, our target website has just prepared, and the file size is 1 GB. So you just need to download this file. Click on the download. Okay, so you can see the file is downloading. Okay, so the same file we have to upload our new website where we want to duplicate our website. Okay, so I have already downloaded the file, so let me to cancel this one. And here we need to import that file. Here you can see the export option and import. So we're going to import the another website over this new website. So just click on import, and here you can see here maximum upload file size is 512 MB. So if our website is just more than 1 GB or 100 GB, so how we can just upload that file? So simple. In this video description you can find the link I'm going to provide you, where you can upload that plugin, and you're going to maximum upload size will be 100 GB. Okay, so let me to upload that file. Click on add a new, and then click on upload a plugin, and this is the plugin all-in-one migration 1 GB plugin, 100 GB plugin. Upload that, click on install now, and we're going to replace the default plugin to this one plugin. So we're going to have the maximum 1 GB file size. We can upload that. Just click on replace current upload. Just now we go to the plugin installer. Okay, just go to the home, and now click on the import. Now you can see the maximum upload size it is just 100 GB. Okay, so we need to click on the import the file, the one we have export from our previous website. Click on the upload the file, and then you have to select that file. So let me to select that file. Maybe, yeah, this was 1.35 GB. Click on that and click on open, and now you can see the file is just importing. When this is done, just go to your website. You will see you have just replicate the website. So we just wait to see, let it to be done. See it, and just wait for the few seconds. So it is just restoring all the files from the file we have uploaded. Thus you have to wait for the few seconds. You don't need to close your browser. So it's just let it to be completed for the few seconds. So once file is imported, then we can visit our website. So let me to copy the URL, and let's see it's transferred or not. Then we just click on to visit this website. Actually, this was the website. I just transferred from one hosting to another. Even though we can just duplicate, like the way I showed you in the website, you can replicate any website. So now you can see this was my new domain. I just transferred my website to another hosting. So you can see this is just replicant of the previous website. So this is how you can do. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want, I just transfer your website, you just can contact me through my website rajasingh.com. Even though if you want, I can create for you very beautiful and attractive e-commerce websites. You just can contact me through my website link. I'm just going to provide you my website link into the comment section as well. So this is my website rajasingh.com. Let me cut this one. So here you go. Here you just can click on to create a website by yourself. You can see my tutorials, and you can learn that how you can create the websites. And if you want, I create for your website, you just have to click on get a pro website. Even though you can just contact me through my website, just click on the contact tab, and then you will be here on the contact form, and then you can write me a message. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.